Good morning. I had a very nice stay over at the Green Mountain Hostel. Green Mountain House Hostel, yeah. Host was fantastic. Facility super clean. And good night's rest. I'm back on trail. And I decided to go ahead and wait it out until the last of the rain clouds were, what do you call it? Gone, yeah. Something about getting back out and just getting soaked right off the bat. It's kind of a morale downer. And I don't want to have low morale out here. Good news is, forecasters say there should be good weather throughout the weekend. And that's a couple of days. But then again, I'm not going to be right where they forecasted the weather. So, oh well. Trail life, it is what it is. And the trail's actually not that bad this morning. Even with all the rain, you're still going to sink in the mud a little bit. And, wow. Humidity is just crazy this morning. Until next time. Shelter information. Bromley Shelter. This one was built in 2003. And I like that picnic table not directly inside the sleeping area. This is quite nice. Double bunk action going on over here. Mosquito trying to do its thing. Backwasher, logbook. Let's see who's been here before me. Alright. Let's see, we got, who do I know on here? No. Poncho, I've seen him before. Got some artists out here. Oh, that is quite nice. And then psychotic, crazy, I have your child, and if you want him back, give me $5,000 right here. And then you got, okay, I'm done. Well, I'm almost at the top of Mount Bromley. However, as soon as you reach the clearing, 0.3 miles down that way, it just is an ever uphill incline. And I'm already sweating my butt off. And I think I see something up there. That might be the top. Wow. Hopefully it's a better view than from right here, because I can barely see the, whatever you call it, summit. There we go, yeah. Oh, there's a house up here. There's something. Let me flip this around. Run around. Easier. What the hell? Bromley Tower. Okay, that's what this is. They want to raise some money. Looks like they raised $260,000. And looks like there's something up there. Looks like a shuttlecraft from Star Trek. Bromley Ski Patrol. Oh, okay, I know what this is now. Alright. Let me see. Got a picture over here. Thank goodness for that cool breeze. Bromley, Vermont's Sun Mountain. And I'm thinking I'm up there where that little plus sign is. Ski Patrol First Aid. Alright. I think. I don't know. Run around one. Yeah, that's got to be it then. Sweet. Well, alright, maybe not a shuttlecraft, but an older spaceship of some type. A little, what do you call it? Carriers. What's that sign say? Pushover. Oh, I need to bring over my ex-wife. I'll show her the view and push her over, and then I'll just say, hey, I was just listening to your signs. And pushing her over is not that difficult, even though the sign says it is. Quite nice up here. Sorry I don't have a view for everybody today, but forecasters say it's supposed to get better. You're never gonna guess who I ran into again. Thirsty Boots, the Triple Crowner, and his third time on the AT. He's just a couple 100 yards back. Looks like we're both going to the same shelter / tenting area. And looks like it might be Lost Pond. Something. I hope to find it. And haven't seen any blue skies yet, but the humidity has dropped a lot. Not too much though. I'm just not sweating as bad as I was earlier. But the trail is complete mud and gushy stuff. Ew. Socks are still dry though, so I'm doing well. Till next time. Peru Peak Wilderness, Green Mountain National Forest. Peru. Wow, I think I got off trail. Yeah, don't brush. No blazing. Yep. Trees, leave no trace. Yep, I got it. Good news is the sun is slowly burning off those clouds. And, oh, I just stepped in water. God, come on. Well, this section was going to be nice. Oh, I don't care. I'm still having fun. I love it when the sun comes through and lights up all these green leaves and really makes it beautiful. And I need to work on my tan. Well, other than my farmer's tan, I need to take my shirt off one of these days and just kind of lay out. Happy trails. Dark hole down there. Hopefully there's nothing to jump out and follow me now and try to steal my clip bars, my cheesy poofs. Which way am I going? Up. Mud. Up. And I've noticed everything named Mount something. You always end up going uphill. They make mounts or mountains that go downhill. I think that's called a gap or valley. Oh well. It's almost time for lunch. As soon as I get to the top of this summit, sit down, eat, relax for a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. Happy trails. Well, that was fun. I'm done with the Peru Peak Wilderness. And now on to more mud. That's why I really haven't taken too many pictures. Especially while I'm walking, because it's just nothing but mud. Squish. Oh, yeah. However, earlier I did not get my socks wet or my shoe. It was just mud. I thought it was water, but it wasn't. Becoming very good at bouncing from rock to rock to root. This is definitely a challenge, but I like it. Happy trails. Looks like I'm coming up on another shelter. Let's see which one this one is. Sounds like it has a waterfall out front. This one is Crow Peak Shelter, built in 1935. Wow. Let's see. Got a single flat area, so we left their paracord here. And we got the Long Trail, Griffith Lake, 0.5, Lost Pond Shelter, 4.6. That's where I'm going, I think. And of course, you gotta have your edible plants book. There's nothing I want to do more than eat whatever's around here. That's cool. Alrighty. Time to fill out the register. Okay, I'm just coming up on Griffith Lake. So it's bigger than a pond. Just trying not to get gooey here. What a beautiful view. Yeah, that water looks a little dank. And that, ooh, lots of little fish in there. Gorgeous day. Oh, I love this. Hope there's more views up ahead. There's certain times where you're just walking and walking along, and all of a sudden you get these lovely little 2x8 boards. Or the whoa, there we go again. That keep you out of the mud, which is quite nice. However, I noticed a lot of them are just over dry pieces of land. I mean, there's leaves and sticks, nothing really wet around here. But then it'll stop, and then bam, you got a mud pit or a water hole, and you're like, that's an odd place to put that. But in the meantime, I'm not going to complain because it feels nice to walk on something flat for a while. That way the sun's not in the lens. Wow, this feels nice. I did just pass up the lake access. I just kept on going. In fact, I see a little bit over here to my left coming up. If I wanted to access the lake, I could just jump right in right over here. It's only like 5 feet across. 10 feet over. Oh well, I'll enjoy the view and put this away for now. Till next time. Okay, what do we got here? Big Branch Wilderness, still Green Mountain. Yeah, we got the map. You're here. Cool. I'm set. Off into the woods I go.